Hi children, I hope everyone are fine. I think everyone saw my video, all videos, and previous class we have checked our knowledge, what we have learned from our first chapter, that is world around us. So today is time for complete of exercise. So today we will start our exercise. So the first chapter is the world around us, and I everything completed, whatever is there, living things, non-living things, and natural and man-made. So everything I explained through the video, and I hope everyone saw the all videos. So now it's time for complete our exercise. So open your books, that is workbook, and all exercise part is given in your workbook. Okay, there is a separate book that is called workbook. In this workbook, here all exercise is given chapter wise. Okay, so now successfully we completed our first chapter, that is world around us. Now it is time for completion of exercise. Yes or no? So we will start our exercise part, that is the world around us. Take your books and read with me every questions, and we will solve. First question is given here. See carefully. The color only the things that are living. What? Color only the things that are living. Means you look at this picture is given. Picture is a given. So we have to color which things are living. Means in that picture which things are living, we have to color it. Any color you can apply according to your wish. Okay, so color only the things that are living. So in this picture, look at very carefully. Whatever you are observing in this picture, you just tell me. First we are observing that is a aeroplane, and this is the sun, and a mountain is there, and a tree is there. On this tree a bird is sitting. Look at very carefully, you will get it. Yes, then here down many trees are there, trees leaves are visible. So here small flowers plant are there. On that flower plant, that one butterfly is sitting. Yes or no? So this is the picture is given, everything is here, and which things are living things. You already have learnt what are the living things and what are the non-living things. Now it is time for you to identify which is living things and which are non-living things. Yes or no? Can everyone identify which are living and which are non-living? And which are living things, we have to apply color. Okay, and this work for you only. You have to apply color in your home, any color, but don't use sketch pen. Okay, other color you use, don't use sketch pen. So which are living things, you have to apply color. So first question is completed. Now we will come to our question number second. Okay, or question number 2. See what is written here. Write T for true. That means we have to write which are true, which is true, we have to write shortly T, and F for wrong statement. Which are wrong statement, we have to write F. Okay, so once again I will repeat. Write T for true and F for wrong statement. Means T is the short form of true and F is the short form of false or wrong. Understood the question? Now we will come to sub question number A, that is given. living things need food and water. Living things need food and water. Who will say, is it true or false? Very good, it is true, because we have already discussed about what is living things and what is non-living things, and especially living things need food, water, lights and air to grow. Yes or no? So living things need food and water, so it is true. True means T for true. Okay. Question number B, living things do not grow. Again he is telling living things do not grow. Is it true or false? Very good, it is false, because just now we written living things need food and water for grow. Now he is asking living things do not grow. That means it is false. Okay, living things will grow. Understood? Now question number C, all non-living things need air to live. All non-living things need air to live. Think question very deeply. Okay, all non-living things need air to live. It is true or false? False, because he is telling all non-living things need air to live. Means I am holding a pencil, it is living or non-living? Very good, it is non-living things, because it does not need any air, any water, food or light to grow. Okay, it is a man-made thing, so it is false. Okay. Question number D, we make things for our use. We make things for our use. Listen carefully, we make things for our use. Is it true or false? Very good, true, because true means T, we have to write shortly T only. So because we make things for our use. For example, for our food, or for we have to, if we want to eat something, we are making some food. Yes or no? It may be rice, chapati or any other curry. Your mother or your father is making some food for you, for that you can eat. How? So like this we will make the things for our purpose or for our use. Means now it is a pencil, I am writing with the pencil, you also writing with the help of pencil, because it's for our purpose, means for our use we are making, because that pencil is made by a people. Okay, some people made this pencil, for that we can use, for that we can write. Understood? So like this we are going from one place to another place with the help of car, bus, train, because this is for our purpose, because this is of our use. So through car, through bus we can move one place to another place, we can go one place to another place, because this is of our use. So we make, and this car, bus, train we are making. Okay, so we make things for our use, so it is true. Okay, plants and animals are non-living things. Who will say this answer? Plants and animals are non-living things. Very good, plants and animals are non-living things. It is false, because we have already studied plants and animals are living things, because they need food, water, air to grow, and after growing a day will come, they will die. Yes or no? So all the human beings, animals, plants are living things, they are not non-living things. Understood? So this is the true and false completed. Everyone understood? I hope everyone understood, but you have to read the sentence 2 or 3 times and think, then write the answer. Okay, now we will come to our question number 3. That is, question number 3 is given, tick the things that need food. tick the things that need food. We have to put tick. Okay, we have to put tick the things that need food. Which things need food we have to put on that picture. Okay, so picture already given here, different types of picture given, and in this picture we have to think which picture need food. Okay, for that picture we have to put tick, we have to put tick mark. Okay, so now we will come to first. There are many pictures given here. See, first picture is chair. Okay, everyone saw, you might have seen that type of chair in your home or in your office room, in your class. So you might have seen that type of chair. So now you tell me that chair is need any kind of food to grow. Very good. No, it is not needed any kind of food, water. So we should not put tick here. Okay. Tree is needed any kind of food to grow. Is it correct? Very good. It is correct because it is a living things. It need food. Food means it does not need any kind of rice or chapati or any other. It need water and minerals from the soil. These are the food for a plant. Understood? So it need food. We have to put tick. Okay. Now we will come to a child. You are also a child. That picture also given a child. Okay. So now compare. Did you need any food, or are you eating every kind of food? Yes, so you are also eating, we are all are eating food every day. Like this, a child need also food to grow. So it is correct. We have to put tick mark. Okay. Now come to here. It is the suitcase. Okay. The things some things we should carry when we are going for any relatives home or any other places. We will carry our, or you can say it is our luggage. Okay, in that we can carry our different kinds of materials. Okay, so is it need any food to grow? Anyone tell me? Very good. It does not need any kind of food. Okay, so we should not put tick mark here. Now we come to our that picture. This is a deer. Yes or no? Is he needed any kind of food? Yes, it is needed food to grow. Okay, so deer needed food to grow. So we have to put tick mark. Okay. Now come to here. This picture is a stand light. Okay, stand light. Now tell me, stand light needed any kind of food or not? No, it does not need any kind of food to grow. So we should not put any tick mark here. Now come to watch. Okay, it is a watch. And you saw in your father, mother, or in your teacher, or in your friends, they will watch on their wrist hand. So it does not need any kind of food. So we should not put tick mark here. Okay. Now come to, it is a glass of water. Okay. It is a glass. Inside a glass water is there. Does it needed any kind of food? No, it does not need any kind of food. Okay, so it is non-living things. And you see, it is a snake. Is it needed any kind of food? Yes, it is that needed food to grow. Okay, so we have to put tick. And you see pencil. Here also pencil. So pencil need any kind of food? No, very good. Pencil does not need any kind of food. Okay, so that means we concluded which are living things, they need food, because we already have studied living things need food and water. Understood? So plant, children, deer, these are living things, and snake are living things. They need food to grow. Okay. Now come to here, question number 4. Give 3 examples for each. Give 3 examples for each. First question is given, we have to give 3 example for every questions. Okay. Question number A, living things. We have to give living things example. You just tell me and think what are the living things and tell me exactly 3 example of living things. Very good. One is, who will say? Very good. Animals, human or plants. These are the living things. That is 1, 2, 3. One is animal, second is human, or third is plants. And anyone can be tell. You can say also. You may say, sir, other living things. You can say yes, people or cow or crow or birds. Any bird's name you can say. Any plant's name you can say, or any other animal names you can say. Okay, or any plant's name you can say also. Okay, all are correct, but you have to write any kind of 3 living things. Now question number B, non-living things. Non-living things, what are the non-living things? Give some example. Means 3 example you give exactly. Just now what you gave for living things? Yes, first is, I said car, pencil, table. Who will say another one? Who will say? Very good. We can write bus, train, pencil, or light bulb, blackboard, anything. Okay, mobile phone we can say. Now we will come to question number C, natural things. Okay, who will say 3 example of natural things? Very good. Anyone? Yes, sky. Very good. Like this. And here sun, water, moon. Okay, sun is a natural, water also natural, moon also natural. Or remaining examples also there. You can write according to your wish. Okay. Yes, who will say? Soil also, plants also natural, and mountain also natural, star also natural, moon also natural. Remaining, who will say? Yes, very good. Okay, star, moon, sun, so all are natural things. Okay. Now come man-made things. Okay, man-made things. Now it is come for man-made things. Man-made things, that means someone made that things. Someone means some people or anyone or any kind, any people or human beings made these things. Okay. Example, who will say? Very good. Water bottle. Very good. Mobile, mobile, mobile. Aeroplane, ae, that is e. Okay, aeroplane, aeroplane. And bed also, where you are sleeping in night time. Bed, aeroplane, mobile, these all are man-made, means someone made. Okay. Like another thing, you tell me which are things that is made by man. Can anyone tell me? Yes. See here, pencil. Someone is made this. It is not found in nature. If you will search in environment, if you will search in forest, you cannot find pencil like this. Okay. So we are making this in our factory or industry. You know, some of the factory where the things are producing and we are making, means duster, blackboard, pencil, your bag, your shirt, your pen shirt, everything. Okay. So these are the man-made things. Which things made by man. Okay. Now we will come to our question number 5, that is, Arman has grown 3 plants. What? Arman has grown 3 plants. Arman is a children's name and he has grown 3 plants. How many plants? 3 plants he has grown. Circle the plants that will be healthy. That will be, and which plant? 3 plants you see, 1, 2, 3. And in that picture or in this plant, which plant that will be healthy? After some days or after some years, which plant will be healthy? Means will be alive. Then we have to put circle. You see first picture, the plant inside the glass and covered by a cap, and here only in a box plant is there, and here in a pot plant is there, soil also there, and someone pouring water. Okay, look at very carefully. Now you think and tell me which plant will be healthy. Very good, this plant will be healthy. As we know, we need water, food to grow. So like this plant also need water, food to grow and healthy also. Okay, if you will not eat for 2 days, 3 days, we will be weak. Okay, like this every living organism or every living things, they need water, food to grow and to become healthy also. Yes or no? How we are eating every day food and drinking water for healthy and for stay fit, like this plant need also water and food to stay healthy. So this plant will become healthy. So student, we completed successfully our first exercise. Yes or no? And I already completed the all questions. I explained you, and go through the video. Watch the video properly and fully, then complete your all answer in your notebook, write down and practice again and again, read the books again and again, and what I explained through the video, watch all the video properly. Okay, then go for exercise, and exercise already I completed, I given, it is in your video. You can watch, you can write, you can practice. I hope all students understood. Yes or no, student? Are all of you understood? Yes, very good. I hope everyone understood properly. So successfully we completed our first chapter through our online classes. Everyone happy? Yes, very good. We should happy because we successfully through online in this pandemic situation we completed our first chapter through online. So thank you student, take care, study well. Thank you.